This is Mamuta Samira, so welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we will going to solve this problem. This is the isometric view and this is the front view and this is the right side view. Okay, first we will start drawing from the right side view. In here we can see that it is a 150 unit and 150 unit rectangle. This means it's a square. And we have 4 holes of 10 diameter, which are distance between them is 130 unit and 130 unit, which means they are apart from 10 unit from here and 10 unit from here. Okay, let's select the right plane. Select right plane and sketch it, and select the center rectangle, then dimension it 150 and 150. Now select circle and dimension it 10. Select smart dimension, it is distance of 10, and distance from bottom is also 10. Now I will mirror other circle. Now draw center line. Okay, now go to mirror entities, select the circle, then select the mirror about line. Okay, now again go to mirror entities, select entities to mirror, then the center line. Okay, here we can see that it has a 5 unit of extrude boss. Now go to features, extrude boss, and give 5 unit. Okay, now we can see there is a pipe which is 405 unit and which is vertical direction is 550. Okay, we will draw this line at the front plane. Let's select the front plane and go to sketch. Select line, give 405 in horizontal direction, then 550 in vertical direction. Here we can see there is a fillet of 100. Okay, now go to fillet and take 100 and give a fillet of 100. Now etch it, sketch. Now we can see there is a circle of 50. A circle of 50. Okay. Now select the right plane. Sketch, then sketch the 50 diameter circle. Go to features. First go to exit, then go to features, then sweep boss, and select the circle, then select the path, and this is our shape. And we can see there is another sweep cut of 40 diameter. Sweep cut of 40 diameter. Okay, again we will select the right plane and we will draw a 40 diameter circle and we sweep cut through this path. Okay, go to right plane, select the sketch and select circle, Draw a circle of 40 diameter, then exit sketch. Now go to Swift card and select the circle, and for this part we can select the sketch 2, then select OK. If you want to see it how it is done, we can go to section view and we can see that it is done properly. Okay, now we can see that we have some ribs which are 45 degree, and those two, we have two ribs and in the front side and two ribs in the top side, and both of the ribs are 140 unit apart from each other. Now first select the front plane and select a line. Okay, now select this line and this point and coincident. Again select this point and this line. This line and point and coincident. Okay, you can see that we have a angle of 45 degree. Give the 45 degree, then you can select this point, and distance from this two point is 140 divided by 2, which means 70. Okay, now go to features, rib, and the rib is 1 unit. Rib is 1 unit, so give the dimension 1 unit and click OK, and here is our rib. Now we can mirror the another rib. Select the top plane, then go to mirror and select the rib. Here I have done two ribs, and now we will draw another two ribs. Now this time we will draw from the top plane. Select the top plane and normal to it. Again same, select line, draw the line, select the line and the point, then coincident, and select this point and this line, again coincident. OK, and dimension it 45 degree, and the distance from this to center line is 140 divided by 2. Okay, now go to features and rib, 1 unit rib, and OK. And here we have got our rib. Now we will mirror it from front plane and mirror it rib to. Okay, now we can see our geometry has done. We have completed our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.